Alright, here we go. So, another product of Great One Grinding off stream, a Mocha Spoon Rack Great One Fallow Deer. And instead of the normal, oh, sneak up to 20-30 meters, shoot it broadside, we are going to be shooting this from 50 meters iron sights with the new 410 shotgun. Man, this is going to be fun to sneak up to. And we got the rest of Fallow drink time. So about 15 IRL minutes. So finally got rid of the golden streak curse, getting 3 goldens in the row, and 2 blade racks in the row. We finally got my second spoon and a new fur. This will be fun. 50 meters iron sights with the new 410. So, I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to spot him. Spot that guy, actually. We'll actually just place a marker down, and we're gonna run from here. And I think that'll do. Hopefully sooner or later we'll actually be able to get eyes on him, and then we'll be able to see what we have to do. Because I think if he has not moved, which he most likely has, if he has not moved, he should be broadside for us. If anything, a little bit quartering away. And I can see where some of them are, but I don't see him. Oh, there he is. Alright, we are still about 75 meters away. All it is just slowly crawling. Alright, as we are closing in on 50 meters, we are okay. Oh, he's attentive. Oh boy. Oh, this is it's gonna be fun. Just want to tap, probably because I crouched up. Can't exactly spot him. Alright. I think now's our chance. Crouch up. Can we see him? Wait till he puts his head up. Oh, oh boy. Dropped him. Now, I do know double lung can drop. Oh, we got lungs. Oh boy. Was he dropped? I wasn't sure if they will drop if you double lung, so I was scared that I accidentally spawned, but let's get this. The bullet drop is ridiculous then, because I aimed like right next to the parallel to. Let's tax this. I aimed this right at the top of the crease, and it dipped all the way down to the tip, or the very top of the lung. Hold up, this is gonna lag a bit because I gotta take a screenshot. Alright. Well, that was a lot easier than I thought. He's my biggest golden, or not golden, spoon rack. My hooded spoon was 280, and he scored very top of his estimate. He's a very wide spoon rack. I know these can get up to like 280, up high 280s though, but I mean, yeah, did what it had to do, and we dipped right into the heart. Wow, alright.